Now, a political row has erupted on US Senate passing Russia sanctions bill. Congress MP Pawan Khera, taking a dig at the government, said does look like India is truly independent. He also added anyone who comes blackmails India, anyone who comes along dictates terms, saying you can buy oil from wherever you can buy this much, you cannot buy that much. Let's go back to Arzu on this. Arzu, the Congress of course continues to target the government over US looking to impose tariffs on India, but India has made its stance clear. If you can take us through the government statement again.
Well, yes, a fresh political, controversy has erupted after the U.S. Senate passed a sweeping Russia sanctions bill that could potentially impose tariff up to 100% on countries continuing to purchase Russian oil and gas. In fact, reacting to the developments, Congress MP Pawan Khera has launched a sharp attack on the Narendra Modi government, questioning India's ability, to take independent foreign policy decisions. Khera said that the development raises question over whether India is truly independent if other countries can dictate its trade choices. He alleged that whenever other country put pressure on India, the government is forced to respond to its demand. Also, taking a swipe at the BJP-led government's claim of claims of India's growing global stature, Khera invoked the term Vishwaguru and questioned the government willingness to face the parliament and answer the opposition question on the issues such as sanctions, oil imports and the foreign policy. So definitely, once again, there is a war of words that could clearly be seen, and his remark comes after the US Senate passed the sanctioning Russia and Iran Act of 2026 with the overwhelming 86-11 vote. The legislation seeks to intensify economic pressure on Russia over the Ukraine war and involves provisions that could allow the US president to impose tariff of up to 100% on the import from major purchasers of Russian oil and gas. India and China are among those countries that could potentially be affected. Yes.
All right, and now moving on, viewers. Lok Sabha leader of opposition and